Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see your Windows 11 product key. Alright, this is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to your search bar right here. Click on it and type in Regedit. Alright, once the Registry Editor pops up, just go ahead and go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. There'll be a pop-up, just click on Yes. Now in here, just go ahead and double click on HKey Local Machine. Alright, I'm going to show you. Double click. Then go ahead over to Software, double click. Then just locate Microsoft, which is right here, double click again. Now we're going to want to find Windows NT, just scroll down a bit until we'll find Windows NT right here. There you go, double click on current version. Now in here, just locate Software, which is right here, Software Protection Platform. Click on it, and in here on the right side, as you can see, add backup product key. Default, this is your product key. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.